Welcome to Slow English Lab, the place where busy learners, shy speakers, and absolute beginners learn English in a calm and simple way. Do you ever feel nervous when listening to English? Do native speakers sound too fast? Do you wish you could speak with more confidence? You are not alone, and this lesson is for you. In this video, we will teach you how to use two powerful techniques: slow listening and shadowing. Slow listening means listening to English that is clear, slow, and easy to follow. Shadowing means repeating what you hear, like an actor copying a voice. These two tools will help you understand native speakers more easily, improve your pronunciation, build strong English-speaking habits, feel more confident and relaxed when speaking. This lesson includes 10 powerful tips that are perfect for beginners, AA2. Each tip includes practice sentences, listening repetition, and daily missions. You can do these tips anytime, anywhere. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Slow English Lab. Click the bell so you don't miss any future lessons. Now grab your notebook, take a deep breath, and let's begin your English journey, one slow step at a time. Tip 1. Repeat slowly, repeat clearly. To speak clearly, you must train your mouth and ears slowly. Fast speech comes later. Now we go slow. Listen to this sentence: I want to learn English. Now repeat. Want to learn English. Let's shadow together. I want to learn English. I want to learn English. This slow shadowing trains your brain. It builds strong muscle memory. Do this with every short sentence you hear. You don't need 100 sentences, just repeat one sentence 10 times. Slow learning is smart learning. Mission: choose 3 simple English sentences. Say each one slowly 10 times today. Tip 2. Listen first, then speak. Here's a simple truth. Many learners try to speak before they've trained their ears, but listening comes first. Always. Let's practice. First, listen to this sentence: Today is a good day. Don't repeat yet. Just listen again. Today is a good day. Now ask yourself, what words did I hear? How did it sound? Was it fast? Was it clear? Now shadow with me. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. You see, listening helps you copy rhythm, intonation, and natural flow. If you speak too early, you miss the music of English. Mission: pick one short sentence. Listen to it 3 times before saying it out loud. Focus on the rhythm, not just the words. Pro tip: watch a short video in English. Mute your voice, just listen to 5 seconds, then pause. Say what you heard, repeat this 3 times, then press play again. This is how you train your brain to listen actively. The best speakers are first the best listeners. Tip 3. Use the mirror trick. Want better pronunciation and confidence? Stand in front of a mirror. Yes, a real mirror. Watch your mouth. Look at how your lips move. See your tongue position. This helps you see if you're really saying the sounds correctly. Try this. Say hello, how are you? Look at your lips as you say each word. Hello, how are you? Now again, with rhythm. Hello, how are you? Smile, speak. Look confident, even if you don't feel it yet. Why this works: you see yourself as a speaker. You connect sound with movement. You build muscle memory for your face and mouth. Shadowing in front of a mirror makes your brain believe, I am a speaker. Mission: practice 3 short phrases today in the mirror. Good morning. My name is. I like learning English. Repeat each one 5 times while watching your face. Bonus: record yourself while using the mirror. Then play it back and watch your video. What do you notice? This trick builds confidence fast, because when you see yourself speaking English, you start to believe it. Tip 4. Chunk your sentences. One reason English feels difficult is that many learners try to say entire sentences without breaks. But native speakers don't speak word by word, they speak in chunks. A chunk is a small group of words that go together naturally. For example, how are you is one chunk. I'm going to the store has two chunks. I'm going to plus the store. Now try this sentence. I need to buy some food. Break it into chunks. I need to plus buy some food. Practice like this. I need to buy some food. Now say it all together. I need to buy some food. Chunking helps you speak more naturally. It also improves your listening skills because you'll start to hear how native speakers group words. Let's practice with a few more. Can I help you? One chunk. What are you doing? What are you? Plus doing. I'd like a cup of coffee. I'd like plus a cup of coffee. Mission. Choose 5 sentences. Write them down. Break each one into 2 or 3 chunks. Practice each chunk separately. Then say the full sentence. Banana tip. Just kidding. Always pause between chunks when you practice. It helps your brain remember how the language flows. This technique will change the way you listen and speak, one chunk at a time. Tip 5. Shadow your favorite phrases. Shadowing is powerful, but it's even more powerful when you shadow phrases that you love. That's right. Favorite phrases stick in your memory longer. Think about English phrases you hear in movies, songs, or everyday conversations. Choose phrases that make you smile, laugh, or feel inspired. For example, you can do it. Don't worry about it, it's going to be okay. Now shadow them. You can do it. You can do it. Say it with energy. Say it with emotion. Shadowing is not just copying, it's acting. Feel the emotion. Feel the rhythm. Try this. I believe in myself. Say it slowly. Believe in myself. Then naturally, I believe in myself. Mission. Pick 3 favorite phrases. Practice shadowing them 10 times today. Say them while walking, cooking, or before bed. Advanced tip. Make a favorite phrase list on your phone. Add new phrases every week. Review and shadow them regularly. When the phrases matter to you, you'll never forget them. That's the power of emotional shadowing. Tip 6. Speak with emotion, not just words. Words are not enough. To sound natural in English, you need to use emotion. Think about how native speakers sound: happy, excited, surprised, tired. They don't just say words, they feel them. Let's try something simple. Say this sentence. I'm fine. Now say it like you're really tired. I'm fine. Now say it like you're excited. I'm fine. Louder. The meaning doesn't change, but the feeling does. Mission. Practice these short sentences with different emotions. I don't know. That's amazing. I'm sorry. Say each sentence 3 times. First with a neutral voice, then with a strong emotion, finally with your own natural feeling. Why this works? It makes you sound real, not robotic. It improves your pronunciation naturally. It helps you remember sentences better. Emotion connects sound and memory. When you feel what you say, you remember it longer. Bonus trick. Watch a scene from a movie. Mute the sound. Try to guess the emotion by the face. Then say the line yourself with that same emotion. This builds your emotional rhythm in English, something textbooks never teach. Shadow with emotion. I can't believe it. It's not your fault. Gentle. Let's go. Practice daily. 1 sentence, 1 feeling, 1 real English moment. Tip 7. Record and compare. Here's one of the most powerful ways to improve your English speaking. Record yourself and compare it to native speech. Many learners are afraid to hear their own voice, but that fear is your greatest teacher. Recording allows you to hear your real progress and fix small mistakes you didn't notice before. Start simple. Use your phone. Choose a short sentence. Example: I'm going to the market. Step 1. Listen to a native speaker say the sentence. Step 2. Record yourself saying it. Step 3. Play both back and compare. Ask yourself, do I sound clear? Is my rhythm the same? Are my words connected naturally? Now do this. How are you doing today? I need to finish my homework. Let's go for a walk. Record each one. Listen. Compare. Mission. Record yourself speaking 3 sentences today. Compare each one to a native speaker version. Identify one thing to improve in each. Shadowing boost. After comparing, try shadowing the native sentence again 5 times. Then record again. You'll hear big improvement. Why this works? You become your own coach, you hear your progress, you learn to self-correct. Most learners never record themselves, but the best ones always do. If you want real progress, hit record, then hit play, then grow. Tip 8. Use subtitles at 50% speed. One of the biggest challenges for English learners is understanding fast speech. Native speakers connect words, reduce sounds, and speak quickly. But you can train your ears by using subtitles and slowing the speed. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Choose a short English video on YouTube, 2 to 5 minutes. Step 2. Set the playback speed to 0.5x 50%. Step 3. Turn on English subtitles. Step 4. Listen and read at the same time. Step 5. Pause and repeat each sentence slowly. Let's practice together. Sentence: what are you doing later? Slow version: what are you doing later? Repeat: what are you doing later? What are you doing later? Mission: find one short video, watch it at 50% speed with subtitles. Write down 5 sentences. Repeat each one 3 times. Bonus trick: after you feel comfortable, change the speed to 0.75x. Then try it again at normal speed. Your ears will adapt over time. Why this works: you hear real English with clear subtitles. You match written and spoken language. You train your brain to catch fast, connected speech. Learning is easier when you break it into steps. Speed down first, then speed up later. Recommended search on YouTube: English Conversations Slow with Subtitles, or Daily English Vlogs Slow Speaking. Remember, slow listening builds fast understanding. Tip 9. Make shadowing a daily routine. Shadowing works, but only if you do it every day. You don't need hours. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day can change your English. The key is repetition and consistency. Here's your plan. Choose one simple sentence. Listen to it. Say it out loud, again and again. Now, make it a routine. Do it every morning before breakfast, or every evening before bed, or during your walk, in the car, in the shower. Example: I'm learning English step by step. Repeat: I'm learning English step by step. I'm learning English step by step. You don't need new content every day. In fact, repeating the same sentences builds deeper mastery. Mission: choose one sentence per day this week. Shadow it for 5 minutes. Repeat it 20 times. Don't change it, just master it. Bonus: keep a shadowing notebook. Write the date, sentence, and how many times you said it. Watch your streak grow. Why this works: it becomes a habit. Your pronunciation improves automatically. You get faster, more natural, more confident. Daily routines are powerful. Even 5 minutes a day beats 1 hour once a week. Start today. Don't wait. One sentence, one voice, one strong habit. Tip 10. Motivation is built, not found. Many learners wait for motivation to come. They wait to feel ready. But here's the truth: motivation doesn't come first. Action does. You don't need to feel motivated to begin. You just need to start small, build a habit, and motivation will follow. Think of it like this. You don't wait to feel strong before going to the gym. You go to the gym, then you get stronger. The same is true with English. Example sentence: I can do this. Say it out loud. I can do this. Say it again. I can do this. Say it with energy. I can do this. Even a small win, one sentence, one shadowing session, builds momentum. Mission: write down this sentence in your notebook. I practice English daily because I want to grow. Repeat it every morning and evening. Motivation trick: keep a language tracker. Every time you practice, mark it with a *. Watching your streak grow will keep you going. Let's break it down into action. Set a fixed time. I will shadow at 7:30 a.m. for 5 minutes. Keep it visible. Write your daily sentence on your wall or mirror. Celebrate progress. After 7 days, reward yourself. Why this works? You feel proud. You feel responsible. You build a learning identity. I am someone who practices English. Your brain loves patterns. Once you start a routine, your brain will remind you to continue. So don't wait. Don't hope. Build your own motivation, one small step at a time. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. Conclusion: you don't need to move to London, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. Slowly. Listening, shadowing, repeating, every day. You've now learned 10 powerful tips for improving your English using slow listening and shadowing. These are simple, proven techniques that you can use anywhere, anytime. Tell us in the comments, which tip helped you most today? Are you ready to shadow now? Go back and choose your favorite tip. Subscribe to Slow English Lab and turn on the bell so you never miss a new lesson. Remember, practice daily, don't rush, celebrate progress. Practice daily, stay motivated, speak naturally, because slow and steady wins the English race. Thank you for watching and learning with us. See you in the next video.